we've got the wheel off. I just have to remove this lining. So underneath here, you have an 8mm bolt there. So you have a 10mm nuts here. Mine's missing. It should look like this. A 10mm plastic nut there. And that's it. So we're just going to remove those two now. And as you can see, in there we have our ABS slide and our... So this one is for the ABS, and this one is our brake wear sensor. And if you follow the line, it comes down here, comes out here, and I take it this is why we can't reset them, because it's been wearing on the wheel. That is fantastic design. Right, we're going to pull this off and replace it. We've got a new one. So pull this out. I think we're missing our cover. Squeeze these two tabs. That's up, squeeze them. Push up, pull down, and it pops out. I popped it out. And then you'll then need to unclip it all. How I'm going to release this clip is I'm just going to slide it, twist it, pop it out. Okay. Try and remember how it roots. Comes out here. Unclip there. And then you have two more clips. Okay, so put your finger on top. Pull. Okay, so there it is, removed. We're now going to remove this. I don't know if you can see it, I'm not going to try pulling it, but I suspect we're going to need some pliers. So, this is probably going to break if I pull it. Right, bear with me. Try and show you in there. Right, I haven't got the pliers with me at the moment, so I'm going to try and use a flat end. Try and find the end of it. And pop. Hopefully. There we go. She's out. So there's a little groove. Right, insert our new one. And we can reset our brakes then. Right, so this is our new part. Our part number was from eBay. So we'll get that back on now. Right, I'm going to start here. And you can see there's a knobbly bit and a flat bit. So I'm going to put the knobbly bit facing in and the flat bit, as you can see. I don't know what you can see. It's a flat bit. So okay, she's not fully in yet, she's on. But we just need to push that fully in. Right, okay, to get that in, I took our screwdriver again. I gently pushed on top and the bottom until it firmly clicked. You really did click, you will feel it. So just gonna run it. Now, I'm gonna take our wire and route it round out the way as tight as possible. Right, as you can see, this cable has rubber bits and then a gap. So you have to place, where it's got a gap, you have to place it in the holder and then clip it in. You have to make sure the ABS wire and the brake wire sensor wire are both sat where they're completely happy, and just simply push this back on. Like I say, you have to get them both, the ABS sensor wire and this wire, you have to get them both pushed in. And that just pushes, you can see, hooks on top. I think now we'll get this back on. And continue taking it around. Alright, so I'm going to place my brake wire sensor in first. That's how it came out. Okay, in its groove, so you've got these pads either side. They probably help stop it wearing away on the body. Simply push it shut, and then you'll see in here you have like a half moon shape. So check this one, half moon shape. So it's facing outward. So we want our moon shape facing outward. Just simply now slot them back together. Here you see a groove. That groove locates there. Push it in, job done. I think I'm missing my cover. You may have a cover. And that's it, job done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content, and comment if you're having any issues with your BMW.